2 years ago when I met you, you said oil has had a Lakshman Rekha. 55 to 60, 60 maximum, but there's a Lakshman Rekha which has been drawn.
Right.
For India to be successful, the biggest variable, we like it, we don't like it, is oil. What is your long-term view on oil?
Still, 55 to 65. I don't think oil can. See, tomorrow if there is war between Iran and Saudi Arabia, but the question is, ये क्या war करेंगे? उनके खुद के खर्चे क्या हैं? वो war तो कर देंगे, export नहीं करेंगे तो खाएंगे क्या? And there are alternatives coming to oil, right? In the long run, I mean, it's not going to be as bleak as people are predicting, but surely automobile consumption of fuel is going to go down. Why do you think Saudi Arabia wants to invest in India? Because it wants to tie in that India will buy Saudi Arabian oil. There is very good opportunity in PSU stocks. Very, very good opportunity.
Across the board?
Across the board, I'm not going to tell you this is the stock.
No, not the stock.
Yeah, across the board. Across the board in PSUs, I think. The biggest beneficiary of the tax cut is the public sector. And if the government takes, its disinvestment program, one of the reasons why the stocks went down is because they were putting all this HPSL into, ONGC. If the government does its disinvestment in a measured manner, because they are mammoth.
What will change according to you in terms of assumptions? Will there be less number of corporates? Will the bigger get bigger? Are there some sectors which get completely wiped out because they were inefficient and they were constructed because of gold plating?
No, sectors will not get wiped out, companies can get wiped out. You look at Indigo. I think the two greatest companies created in India in the last 10 years are Indigo and DMart. Now what Indigo did, he got a $6 million discount on a plane. They say, I'm not sure, but they say there are a lot of commissions paid on planes. Right? So suppose 100 million list price, the plane suddenly sell for 40 million. He got because he paid a large order, he got a 6 million extra discount. He could have justified to anybody that I bought it for a good price. And that 6 million could be taken in Cayman Islands or any tax-free haven. But he bought that into the company. No? He credited it to the company. Instead of taking it as commission, right? He created efficiency. What has he done? Look at DMart. People can't believe the price at which he sells goods. Made by SSC past gentleman, my close friend. So what if you differentiate, you can create great companies here. I myself am a private equity investor. I am giving birth to some companies. I only think of 5 things. First is people. Patience. Because if you are impatient, you make the biggest mistakes. Right? Technology. Frugality. And governance.
Enough global talk, enough views are there that look, EV is here to stay. What do you think the EV wheel means for Indian auto companies?
अभी दिल्ली दूर है दोस्त. अभी कौन ईवी बनाएंगे, उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे. ईवी भी बहुत फैशनेबल हो गया है. इसलिए बोला ना, इट्स फैशनेबल टू राइट एंड टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज फैशनेबल. बट पहले तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तो क्रिएट कर टू सर्विस देम. It is predicted by 2030 also, worldwide only 30% vehicles will be electrical.